Hi everyone, welcome to the External Secrets Operator Community Meeting. Of course, this meeting is under CNCF Code of Conduct. So yeah, in short, just be nice to each other. So it's only me and Moritz here, so let's be nice. Um, where's the? We don't have agenda, right, for today.
No, I haven't put any items. I think it's just Shuai who wanted to add one topic.
Let me copy just a template. Oh, I have to be signed in to edit. Do we have the Slack thread? Okay, so the first item, the only item for now, is about CodeCov. We tried that before. We tried like moving some configuration around, and I tried to dig into the commits, and I think it was a configuration named like precision or something like that.
Hmm.
It seems like there's a new configuration called, like a new field called threshold. And Shuhei found that. I think that it sounds promising. Then I think we can like fix the problem that we had before. So I'd say we can go with that. What do you think?
Absolutely. That's a good idea. Yeah, let's just try it out and see if
Yeah.
it works as expected, and if it annoys, then we can consider removing it again.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, so yeah, Paul stopped working for good now, right?
Yeah, I tried it out the other day, and it appears that it's just not responding anymore. Do you have any idea what's the
I can.
status is there?
I don't know. I can ping the maintainer. Um, don't know if he's working on that anymore.
Yeah.
But yeah, if it's like not maintained anymore, if it's not up also, we should migrate to something else or just like consider going back to using GitHub approvals and all. Which is annoying when you're like taking care of the release yourself,
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
then you need things approved. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's fine to have such facility to self-approve
Yeah.
these kinds of things. So
There's another one called Derek,
yeah,
which is Derek bot, which is similar. Like it's simpler than Prow, but still like just for GitHub and all. Can try that.
the author was Spazzy 80 something or 70 something.
Of Paul, yeah.
Yeah,
Brandon.
Spazzy 757. I tried to find him in Slack and to see if I am able to reach out to him. If I can't reach out to him, then I guess we can just move to Derek and see if that works.
I can talk with him. I know him. He worked at Container Solutions. Oh, but now he's working, yeah, at a new company. But yeah, I can't talk to him because I already have a conversation going here. Let me just remember if he uses the same. Yeah, Brandon. But I don't think he will log in into Kubernetes like that often, so I can send a
Mhm.
message on Discord as well. Yeah,
Okay, yeah, that would be great.
cool.
Okay, cool.
I think I'm on swap because I cannot. Things are very slow. I'll write the action items later. Fossa. So you added this item about Fossa.
Yeah, I mean, we've discussed it the other day. It is really annoying because we have to like add exceptions or ignore license like incompliances or like false positives with each and every dependency
Oh
update,
yeah.
which is like super annoying. I looked into alternatives and SNCC provides that functionality. However, it's only in the enterprise grade license, which we don't have, and it's too expensive, I guess. So we don't really have an alternative other than that, except for either
Removing.
removing it or um, we don't really have an alternative. Like in the beginnings, we've built it on our own, but that was like pretty limited because you cannot really do like recursive scans like super deep. So yeah, I guess we should just keep it as it is. It's like I don't mind just adding exceptions every time we add new dependencies or update dependencies. I don't mind adding those. It is a little bit annoying, but I guess yeah,
Yeah, if
it's
it's
better
a
than not having it,
requirement.
I guess.
But like I had a look over some other CNCF projects, and some of them are not using anything for that. So I wonder how important this is for them. But it's also good for us in a way. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess we can also reach out to the CNCF and ask them if they have any suggestions because it's just annoying and it's so annoying to the point that we can't really it doesn't really provide any value. We just hitting the ignore button. We don't really read what kind of issues arise. That just doesn't really make sense.
Yes, I agree.
I guess I can just add that as an action item, just to reach out to I don't know ME or so and ask if they
Yeah.
have any other suggestions.
Okay. We had a, but that's what you meant. We had a not an action item, but a discussion about this on a previous community meeting, right? Yeah. I wonder if Gustavo reached out to someone, but yeah, it doesn't hurt to ask again. Okay. Um, I'm trying to remember if we had anything from last year.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can quickly
Um.
scroll through, I guess.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Go
we
ahead.
can quickly scroll over. I think the one thing that we've discussed on is we want to start a vote regarding the secret store um,
Oh
approach
yeah.
that we want to follow.
Yeah. I don't know. It seems like this one is very important, and voting feels. I don't know. I think we need to discuss a bit more. What do you think?
Mm, I don't know. I'm fine to. I think we've had a lot. of discussions on GitHub asynchronously already, and I'm fine to just merge it as it is, like the the
Design.
ADR, the design doc. So I'm fine with merging that. That works for me. Um, yes, I don't really need some more discussions. Yeah, so I'm happy to merge it as is. But yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, I was thinking about some similar discussions that we had on some components, like on Kubernetes SIG stuff. And when the thing is like big enough, let's say, they say it's not good to vote. It's better to reach like some level of, consensus that is at least what you're saying now. Actually, like I'm okay with this, and if we do this, like a compromise in a way.
Yeah,
Yeah. So then I guess we can go forward. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
But
I
yeah,
guess like
go
I
ahead.
guess we can still like reach out on Slack for like all the other maintainers to just ask for a request for comments, and then give some sort of deadline, maybe a week or two, just so people can just put their thoughts in. If they just if they need more time to look at it, then they can have it if they need it. And if no one really responds, then I guess we can just go forward and continue working on it.
Yeah. The other thing I oh sorry, do you have anything else on this one?
Oh no, no, no.
Okay. The other thing I thought about is the suggestions from Idan about the release. So some things that he felt were like pain points because maybe they're not chained together and you have to wait for things to run and all that. I think that's fair. And I don't know if we have the time, but maybe Roger would like to have a look on that. I don't know. But yeah, I think it's a nice thing for us to have at least the steps that are like behind or before the Helm release. All of those
Mhm.
could like be a single thing that we shouldn't wait too much between those. But then the operator hub OLM stuff, like I think it's okay the way it is because it's complicated. Yeah, I don't want a GitHub Actions to open pull requests on other repositories. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm happy to improve that. I guess I don't. Yeah, it's it would be great to improve on that end, but I don't think that I don't want to spend like too much time on it.
yeah,
It's
me too.
it's fine as it is. It's not like super good and slick, but it's like good enough to get the job done, and it
Yeah.
doesn't hold us. At least it doesn't hold me back from doing a release.
Yes.
Um, so yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's more like if we get a new contributor that wants to work on that, I think it's a nice issue to work on.
Yeah.
Probably they will have to set up like I don't know, mirror things to check the pull requests and things merging and launching release or something like that. And it can be a bit of work, but yeah, if someone wants to do that, I think it's like it adds value, so it's nice. So I'll check with Roger if he wants to do that, since he's also like launching some releases. So improving a release makes sense, and he's also like writing up everything, so he improves the documentation. So
Yeah.
yeah, let's see if he wants. So yeah.
Yeah. That would be great.
Um. Okay. So let me just try to add action. We had Paul one, and we had the fossil one. So you said you wanted to.
Yeah,
Oops, there's missing. Okay.
cool.
Do you think we have anything else to discuss?
Don't think so. I think the rest is just. I guess like we have a lot of PRs,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure if it makes sense to go over them right now. I completely lost track of them, to be honest. Like my inbox is so full that I can't keep up with like reading issue comments and PRs and whatnot.
Yeah.
Not really sure if it makes sense to go over them.
Yeah, I think we can try next community meeting. And until next one, we try to go over the ones that we are assigned as reviewers. I also want to ping some folks from University of Brasilia that started some PRs and didn't finish.
Hmm.
And yeah, so I think we
Yeah,
can do that, the PR scrub next time. What do you think?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Sounds good. I just need like some more time to catch up on those. I think there are even like 2 or 3 new providers. So that's like yeah, massive changes in terms of new code being added and dependencies that need to be vetted and all that stuff. So
Yeah.
lots of work. But yeah, let's do it next time then.
Okay. Oh yeah, this brings back that discussion about adding providers when helping.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, I don't know.
I mean, as long as they have a relevance, then I'm fine to add them.
Which are the ones that you're mentioning?
Um,
Cerberus? Oh, I just saw it. Cerberus.
yeah, Cerberus. That's some. I've never heard of that before, but apparently that's some open source secrets management system made by Nike, the shoe company. And the other one, oh, it's actually like push secret and delete secret for the one password provider. That's another thing. Then we have, I think, onboard base and Barbican, which are two completely new providers. Password depot is another one. Yeah, it's. I think that's about it, which is enough, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, we should remember to ask them if they want to be added there and like if they want to help maintaining the thing. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, if we don't have anything else, I'll stop the recording.